Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our Skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
Let us solve today's DC using Python programming language. The program must accept a string yes and remove two continuous alphabets if they are same but in different case. We must remove the alphabets until there are no such continuous in yes, continuous alphabet in S if all the characters are removed from yes, then the program must print -1, else it must print the modified string. Now let's consider our test case. Skillrack. First let us write it with the space Skillrack. Now let's check. These two strings are different. Then next two, these two are also different. Then next two, these two are same and they are in same case. Then next two string, these two strings are same and they are in same case. And next two, these two strings are same but in different case. So we have to eliminate them. After the next two different and finally different, hence this will be our output. Now let's check for our second test case. Let us write it with a space O small o PPSS. Now these two strings are same and they are in same case. The next two strings are same but they are in different case. So we have to eliminate them. After eliminating, we have to come from the first. These two strings are same. And the next two strings are same but they are in different case. So you have to eliminate them. The first two strings are same but they are in different case. So I have to eliminate them. The next two strings are same but they are in different case. So I have to eliminate. Finally, the string is also same but they are in different case. So you have to eliminate them. If all the characters are removed means then you have to print -1 as our output. So -1 is printed as our output. Now let us execute our logic using Python programming language. S is equal to input dot strip for CTR in range len of S. Now let us declare some variables flag, comma, index, comma, modified string equal to 1, 0 and a plain string. While index less than len of S -1 if S of index dot swap case equal to s of index plus 1, then we have to increment the index by 2, index plus equal to 2, then change the flag variable to 0, else modified string plus equal to s of index plus equal to 1. Here we are just swapping using swap case and checking whether the variables are same. Let us see, here the two variables are same but they are in different case. So if L equal to L means this one, this if condition states this. So we are incrementing index by 2 as per to print our output. If index equal to len of s minus 1, then modified string plus equal to s of index. Now we have to check for the flag variable. Flag is declared as 1 here. So if modified string means we have to print the modified string. Print modified string, else you have to print minus 1. Now let's use a break statement here, and finally we must use else s is equal to modified string. We can use else here or we can eliminate it. So we are using else here. Now let's check for our first test case. Hence this is our required output Skillrack. Now let's check for our second test case. Hence this is our required output which is printed. Now let's check for our final test case -1, which is our required output.
Our program has passed all our given test cases successfully. Hope you guys understand. Thanks for watching. See you next video.